Retail sales. Many retail stores hire teenagers for positions such as cashier, stock clerk, or customer service representative. The earnings of a retail sales associate can vary depending on factors such as location, employer, experience, and whether the position is full-time or part-time. To work as a retail sale, you should have certain skills and be aware of the responsibilities. Retail sales associates must have excellent customer service skills to assist shoppers in a friendly and helpful manner. Strong communication skills interacting with customers, coworkers, and supervisors. Retail sales should understand the products or services offered by the store to assist customers. The ability to build positive relationships with the customers is important. Working well with coworkers, maintain store appearance requires strong teamwork skills. Address customer concerns or resolve issues. Responsibilities. Greet customers with a smile. Be helpful in finding products. Ringing up purchases. Dusting and restocking shelves. Keep area clean.